and I enjoy both.
Is it easier to write in Welsh than English, or the other way around, or does it make no difference whatsoever?
Well, in Welsh I have a good friend called Adwell who writes with me, and he's far more poetic than me in the Welsh language, so I'm lucky that I've got him on board.
You write very sad songs. I said this to you at the soundcheck this afternoon, and you visibly backed away from me. But I think you do. I think you write beautiful sad songs. Is it easier to write a sad song than a cheerful one?
I think, emotions tend to be more forthcoming if they are of a sad nature, and so when you're writing a song, it's easy to convey the feelings of sadness. But what I was saying to you is, whether it's happy, sad, slow or fast, it's the good ones that matter. So as long as I write good songs, that'll be the main thing.
I think you always write good songs, and I'm not just saying that. Can you generally tell when you've written a bit of a cracker?
I think it's by the reaction of the audience you can tell, and if they come up to you at the end and say, oh, such and